What is whiskey? What are the types? Whiskey is a spirit distilled from fermented grains. Includes barley, corn, rye, and wheat. Each grain produces a different flavor or type of whiskey. Whiskey needs to be aged in oak barrels. It can be amber in color and has an alcohol content of at least 40%. Different types of whiskey vary depending on the origin, blending process, type of grain used, and aging process. Whiskey production is divided into Scotch whiskey, bourbon whiskey, and rye whiskey. Scotch whiskey is known for its smoky flavor, which is produced by malting barley. In peat fires produced by heating on the surface. Only whiskey produced and bottled in Scotland can be labeled as Scottish. It is legally required to be aged in oak barrels for at least 3 years. Bourbon whiskey is produced in the United States. The spirit must be made with at least 51% corn mash. It must be aged in new charred oak barrels. It helps to obtain a mellow nutty flavor. Dark malt whiskey. The mash contains at least 51% rye. It must also be aged in new charred oak barrels. The above is a brief introduction to whiskey. Welcome to subscribe to Tiantai channel.